Hi guys, here's Belsee. Today I will introduce this 7-inch DVD player Android 10 system special head unit for BMW. One series E81, E82, E87, E88, 24 to 12 years. Okay, this is here the box. Unbox review. You can check this user menu. Okay, this is power stock installation and removal. Okay, it comes with this AC dash kit. Okay. This harness and install this GPS antenna. Okay, this head unit. Let me show cable is first. This GPS antenna, you can check the GPS antenna. Okay. This install screws and kits. There are two kits you can check. Okay. And this Wi-Fi antenna. This is microphone. This is audio cable. This is USB. Front USB. Also head unit built in the for USB. This is audio cable. This is camera, subwoofer, and other audio cable. Okay. You can check this wire diagram and back this power connections. This fuse. This audio and the other connections, GPS, Wi-Fi, there 1, 2, 3, 4 USB connection. This radio antenna. Okay. Let me connect the power. This power cable. The head unit will be started. Okay. Okay, this is front UI interface. This is volume. This home button. And there SD card, two SD card slots. This navy, this back button, this knob. Okay, it's knob work. Swap file, reboot, clear. Long press, you can change the wallpaper. This Z-Link app for wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. I will check the settings. It's built in the Wi-Fi. You can connect Wi-Fi antenna on back. The Wi-Fi antenna. Okay. Okay, connect to Wi-Fi. You can visit our website belsee.com, belsee.com. This is built in the DVD player. This next and stop, play stop button is J. There is volume and power. Okay, this is our website. If you have any more questions, please contact us. Okay, it supports DAB antenna and built-in Google Maps, car information. TPMS and also support ODB2. You can download the applications from Play Store. Okay, that's all. If you have any more questions, please contact to us. This Z-Link built in the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Okay, that's all. Thank you.